Hey, content creators! Looking to up your video editing game? Click the link in the description below for a special discount on your favorite editing tool. Today, we're diving into the ultimate showdown InVideo versus Veed. Which one is going to take your content to the next level? Let's find out. First up, InVideo. This bad boy is like the Swiss Army knife of video editing. It's got tons of templates, making it super easy to create videos, even if you're a complete newbie. Seriously, you can make a video look pro in minutes. And the best part? InVideo's interface is so user-friendly your grandma could use it. No offense to grandmas out there. You get access to a massive library of stock media and music, so you'll never run out of options. But wait, there's more. The customer support? Top-notch. You got a problem? They've got your back 24/7. And if you're into team projects, InVideo lets you collaborate in real time. Hello, productivity. Now let's talk about Veed. If InVideo is the Swiss Army knife, Veed is like a sleek, high-tech gadget straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its interface is clean, modern, and just plain cool. Plus, it's packed with features that cater to both newbies and pros. One of Veed's standout features is automatic subtitles. Yep, you heard that right. It saves you hours of painstaking transcription. And if you're tired of looking for that perfect font or color scheme, Veed's got amazing customization options. Another cool thing? Veed's editing tools are super intuitive. Trim, cut, add effects, it's all a breeze. And for those of you who love to share on social media, Veed makes resizing for different platforms a walk in the park. But let's not forget pricing. InVideo offers a generous free plan and affordable premium options. Veed also has a free plan, but their premium options might be a bit pricier. So it really boils down to what features you value the most. So, who's the winner? Honestly, it's a tie. Both InVideo and Veed have their own strengths. If you love a user-friendly interface with tons of templates, InVideo's your go-to. If you want sleek design and advanced features, give Veed a shot. All right, content creators, ready to take the plunge? Click the link in the description below to grab your special discount. Whether you choose InVideo or Veed, you're on your way to making amazing content. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips. See you in the next video.